How to change country and scene. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. If you are looking for what to change country and scene, then all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open scene on a device. So here on bottom of your screen, you will see different options. So tap on me located on bottom right hand side of your screen. And then tap on settings located on top right hand side of your screen. And then here on top of your screen, you will see this option address book. So tap on it. Now simply tap on add a shipping address. And here on top of your screen, you will see this option location. So simply tap on it. And here you will find all the list of countries. You can either simply scroll down or tap on this search box located on top of your screen. And now simply search for a country and then select it. And then you will see this pop up. So simply tap on continue. And once you do that, you will be logged out of your account. So simply log in back again. And as soon as you log in, your country will be updated on SHEIN. So this is how you can change country and SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.